Are you engaged in related party transactions and wondering about the disclosure requirements? The confusion surrounding the disclosure requirements for related party transactions and connected person payments have now been resolved. A few months ago, the UAE FTA released a corporate tax guide on tax return. As per this guide, the disclosure form is applicable when the aggregate value of related party transactions exceed 40 million. Party-wise disclosure is required when each category of related party transactions exceed AED 4 million and the aggregate value of connected person payments exceed 500,000 AED. Let's simplify these disclosure requirements for you using 3 case scenarios. First up, what if your related party transactions are less than 40 million but the standalone revenue of your entity is greater than 200 million? In this case, the disclosure form will not be applicable, and as per the threshold, the local file will be applicable. However, there is a catch. If there are no transactions to be reportable as per Ministerial Decision 97 in the local file, even if the threshold is surpassed, the local file will not be applicable in this case. Second scenario, what if your related party transactions are still less than 40 million, but all of those are reportable transactions, and your revenue still stands above 200 million AED? In this case, the disclosure form will not be applicable. However, the local file will be applicable and all the reportable transactions shall be included in the local file. This stands as a unique case compared to other countries where disclosure form is not applicable but local file is applicable. Finally, let's have a look at a connected person payment scenario. Mr. A, the owner of the company, along with his spouse, withdrew 300,000 each from their company. In this case, where the aggregate value of connected person payments exceed 500,000 AED, this transaction is to be reported in the disclosure form. For more such scenarios and to ensure full compliance with UAE corporate tax, reach out to us at SBC Tax Consulting LLC.
SBC Tax Consulting LLC